Okay, today I will show you how to operate our 9-in-1 hydrofacial machine. Firstly, if you have the facial steamer machines, you can use the facial steamer machines to coat or hot cleanse skins firstly. It can open cleanse points and make the treatment to get better results.
好。
Okay, now we can open these machines. It have a password for 60. And this is a setting button is for the English and a Germany choice. Firstly, I will show you how to do our hydrofacial handlepiece treatment. Okay, you can see in the interface it have 4 bottles. And firstly, we need to choose 1 bottle and to do the treatment. When you need to choose 1 bottle, and it will press start. It will see this is a light in the bottom. It means I choose 1 bottom, and below it choose 1 bottom. It can match. And firstly, for that one, you need to choose the water levels firstly, and adjust the vacuum. Let me try in cleanse face. Okay, if the handlepiece water come out very big, and then you can increase it. You can decrease its water levels, and make sure the water come out very small. And maybe you can use tissues. When do the treatment, you can use the tissues to cover the waters. To do the treatment, you can follow cleanse face from the down to up. For this hydrofacial handlepiece, it can do the treatment for the deep skin cleaning and for the black mold treatment. Okay, we can just take off this handlepiece connector and enter into the demobilization handlepiece to the machines. Okay. Okay, next we can choose for the vacuum button. For that button, it has 2 handlepieces for clients to choose. One is for the diamond demobilization treatment handles, and the other one is for the vacuum pen. For that one, is with two handlepieces, and it's charged connect with the same areas. You can see if you do the treatment for like the vacuum pen, then you can connect it into the machine. And if you use for the demobilization treatment, you can connect with the demobilization to the machine. Okay, firstly we connect with the vacuum pen. So we can do the treatment for the vacuum pen firstly. For this vacuum pen, it can do the treatment for the laser lymphatic drainage treatment. Let me start. And it can do the treatment like this. Firstly, you can keep the handlepiece into the cleansed skins and down to up to do the treatment. And you can, if you do the neck, you can also use for this part. Follow the face and to the end of ear and down to the neck areas, and you can do the treatment like this. Okay. Okay, now we connect for the dermabrasion handlepiece and do this treatment. It still can do the treatment for the skin rejuvenation and skin cleaning. And for this one, it's with 6 tips. You can see with different tips for the different face treatment areas. In this part, when you install the tips, it also have a filter in it. You can see it's also with a filter. It can and then connect the tips into the handlepiece. Okay, now we start. Before we do this treatment, we need to spend some waters in client's face firstly. You can use the spin gun to do this treatment directly. Okay, now we use the dermabrasion handlepiece for the treatment. The treatment is the same from the down to up. If the vacuum is too big, you can decrease the vacuum in this part. Make sure it will be fit your client's feelings.
好。
开始了是吗？ Okay, you can do the treatments according to this. Okay, now we follow the buttons for the PDT LED machines. Firstly, you can choose the channel 1. You can see it has the 3 colors for class to choose. Like the red color, it can do the treatment like the repair class skins, and the green colors is for the calm down class skins, and for the blue color is for the acne and the skin rejuvenation treatment. So you can choose the different colors according to your class skin condition. So firstly, my models, I need to choose the channel 1 for the red and the blue, and the channel 2 is the same.
眼睛
Okay. Okay, we choose the energy, like the 4 or 5 energies, which is enough. Before the treatment, you can use glass to protect the client. Okay, we press start. For that treatment, you can close to class skins, and you can do like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now we choose for the ultrasound treatment for face. For the ultrasound treatment, it's with 2 handles. One is for face and one is for ear. You can see it's the difference. One is for face, one is for ear. For that ear treatment is do the treatment for the around ear parts, and for that big one, it can do like the whole face. Okay, firstly I choose for the face firstly, and for that one it's also to do the treatment like the skin tightening treatment. Before the treatment, you can also put some oils firstly in class skin. Okay, the energy is the same. We choose you can adjust it for the 3 or 4. Okay, we press start. For this treatment, you can follow the skins for the for the down to up treatment for the skin tightening. You also can use your hand to lift the cleansed skin and do the treatment like this. Okay. Okay, now we choose the ultrasound for the eye. At the same, we choose the 3 or 4 energy and start for the eye around the treatment. Firstly, it's also need to put some oils firstly in cleanse eye around and do the treatment. It's mostly do like the small wrinkle removal, so you can do a follows cleanse at the end of eye part. Okay, now we come into the skin's scrubber treatment handle piece. Okay, before this skin scrubber treatment handpiece, we also need to put some waters into class skins. Okay, firstly, we need to start in the interface for the skin scalp treatment, and it also have on off in the handpiece, so you can press on, and then its machine will be work. Firstly, we can use like this. It can do the treatment for the to do the massage for class skins, and if you want to do the for the black hand treatment, you can use for that part to do the black hand. When you do this part treatment, you need to make sure it has waters in class face. Okay, finally we choose for the high frequency handpiece. For the high frequency handpiece, it can do the treatment for stench bleeding and release class pain. And for that treatment, it have a different glass parts for the different face treatment areas. Now we can use this one to as a reference. Okay, we press start. For this part, you can increase or decrease the high frequency energy in this part. You can see increase for the minimum one and the max one. Okay, then we do the treatments. Okay, now we finish all the handpiece introduction. Actually, many clients who ask us which handpiece should be used firstly. Normally, we suggest the clients to use according to your class skin conditions to do the treatment, not used for all the handpiece for once. You can do it according to your client's skin condition and to choose the red handpiece to do the treatment. For that hydrofacial machines, if you have any questions, just message me directly. Okay, thank you.